Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the proper case formula. Well, what does the proper case formula do? Let's find out. Let's see what does Microsoft Excel has to say about it. Proper, it says converts a text string to proper case wherein the first letter of each word is in uppercase and all the other letters are in lowercase. So we type in proper, we open the bracket and it simply says text, which means either you type in the text over here or select the text. If you see the text that I've selected is all in uppercase. I close the bracket and now see what happens. The first letter is in uppercase, the rest are in lowercase of each word. We can copy the formula or type it again, say proper, and select this. The length of the text in our cell can be anything, but it has to be one single cell at a time. So in this case, this cell has a lot of data compared to the other cells, and you can choose this. See, it works with n number of words in a cell, but one cell at a time. We can even copy this formula very easily. Just do a Control C and paste it wherever you want using a Control V. So this is how you use the proper case formula. See you in the next video.